Hello and welcome to 43 Glen Knoll Place here in Northeast Columbia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, open backyard, and a covered front porch. Let's go take a look in the backyard. All right, we are now making our way to the backyard. You have the patio right here. And that patio leads into the dining portion of the kitchen. And here you have the back of the home. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. Okay, now we are inside the home. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your living room right here, and you have your hardwood flooring. And it's actually hardwood all throughout the home, downstairs and upstairs. Here you have your chandelier right there, and also you have your ceiling fan right here. And these two windows look out into the front yard of the neighborhood. And right there you have a closet. Right here you have your kitchen and also dining area. And this is what I mentioned earlier in the video, to where you have your door right here that leads onto the backyard. And also you have your pantry, which is this door to the right, and your stainless steel appliances. You have your built-in microwave, your double-sided refrigerator, and also your stove and dishwasher right here on the side. Also you have your granite countertops. Gives it a really nice feel. And also you have your white cabinets as well. Right next to the kitchen you have your laundry room. And your garage, which is a 1-car garage. And then right next to that door you have your half bathroom. Very neat style flooring right here. Also very nice single vanity and mirror. Also complements the light fixtures very well. And also you have your toilet right there. All right, we're going to make our way back through the kitchen. And we're going to take a look at all of the bedrooms and also the main bathroom upstairs. All right, we are now upstairs. First door to the right, you have bedroom number 1. Again, you have the hardwood flooring, also 2 windows that look out into the front of the neighborhood, and your ceiling fan and a closet right here. Right across the hall, you see that bathroom is the main bathroom. You have your toilet, also same style flooring right here as the kitchen, and also the laundry room and bathroom downstairs. Then you have your single vanity with the granite countertops and also the mirror and light fixtures as well. And then you have your shower and tub combo. We're going to save the master bedroom for last. Where right here to the left you have bedroom number 2. Same exact style as bedroom number 1. You have your ceiling fan. Also you have your window that looks out to the front of the yard. Hardwood floors. And also you have your closet right here as well. Coming out of bedroom number 2, Right there you have your linen closet in the hallway. Here is the master bedroom. Pretty good size. Also, you have high ceilings in the master as well. 2 windows right here that look out into the backyard. And that door is the master bathroom. Same style flooring. Also, you have your granite countertop. It's a single vanity, mirror, lighting. Right there. You have your walk-in closet right here. And here you have your garden tub and shower combo. Right across from the bathtub, you have your linen closet. Pretty large linen closet. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home located in Northeast Columbia. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.